Can I bake something without a recipe just from my memory? We're going to find out today. So, what we're going to use is I have some flour, yeast, salt, and water. That's it. I don't know measurements. I don't know if I need anything else. That's what we're doing. Okay. We're going to start. I think we do, if memory serves me correctly, I'm going to do a cup of water. Okay. I'm going to do a cup of water. And then I'm going to do this whole packet of yeast. I don't know if that's right. We're not going to look. All right. We're going to, oh wait, it's supposed to be warm water. Shit. Okay, hold on. Okay, water is warm now. Dump that in there. I think it's warm. Whatever. We're going to do the yeast. All of the yeast. And I'm going to stir it without dropping the bowl. Let this sit for like a minute. So we're going to do that. Okay, now I'm going to add the flour. I'm going to do a cup because I did a cup of water. So I feel like that's right. All right, level it off there. And add it to the yeast. Okay. I'm also going to put some salt. I don't know. Just like, that's probably good. And we're gonna... Okay, it's kind of like watery, so I'm going to add more flour. We're just going to put some more. We're not counting here. All right. That looks better. Okay, I don't know. That looks good. But we're gonna, I think I have to cover it with plastic and I'm gonna let it sit for a few hours and come back later. So it was not like this a few hours ago. I think this has been like 3 or 4 hours now. I guess I'm gonna add to it now. We'll see what happens. Okay, I added another cup of flour and water and I'm gonna mix it up and see what that does. Me. It is 8:08. I started this at, I don't know, 10 o'clock. I'm about to need. Let's do it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I don't feel like getting my tripod. Oh, it's sticky. I'm making a mess. Whoa. Maybe I did do something right. Look at that. All right, so I'm gonna knead this thing one more time. It's been sitting overnight. I got the oven on 350. We're gonna put it in and see what happens. Hey, that's what it looks like before. I'm gonna cover it with some foil and we'll go put it in the oven. It looks good, but does it taste good? Ooh, it's still hot. All right, moment of truth. Cut a little bit of the butt off. Oh, I got some little holes in there. Look at that. And okay. Not bad for no recipe. Trying to do it out of my memory. Not bad. I need to do this more often. What should I try next? Let me know in the comments. Hit that subscribe button.